the project is all about environmental solution. It's basically the environment solution basically on the water quality side. So if you want to know the water quality inside the river or the lakes, right, you need to insert a sensor, and the sensor data will be collected on the cloud, and you can do the visualization, or maybe you can submit for a complaints. So that is a project I would like taken as example. So I think the one of the proactive initiative what our team picked was, I think, as you know, instruments is all environmental instrument will be placed in the very rough and weather conditions. It requires a continuous monitoring and as well as continuous improvement in terms of technology, and as well as how we can manage them, right? One is developing and as well as manage. So one of the project which I would like to take on the similar the platform, we have picked it up now how to upgrade to the new sensors, and also how to put a totally the 5G enabled instruments on the these are like really niche as per the market, and it's going to create a wow factor to the customers. I think that is the one project which I worked on. I think the challenges were really, we faced a lot of difficulties because of the the one is with the skill set, getting right skill set on the firmware, and especially on the business domain, it was a little difficult for us. And if you take any instrument, already they have well established integration setup. So building integrations around that new instrument, the new technology, new sensors, that's like great learning, but we are able to do it. So what a lesson learned I was from that, I would like to say is, I think so spend a good amount of time with the business. I think that is what I recommend. Basically, we call it as the Gemba go to place, happening place. Please do visit, take your experts, show them what happens, because that kill a lot of assumptions and the perceptions. If you visit the plants, maybe where the are the lakes or the rivers where this instrument will be placed, how it works, what happens. Go in person and see with your experience by touching the feel of that, right? That way you will get a lot of things, because we did a lot of mistakes with a lot of perceptions and assumptions when we developed, but that's a kind of a great learning for us. Then the moment we went and saw the instrument, how it performs in the plant, it was totally different. So I think I do recommend that. Please do that in person, the visits, if you're developing any kind of instrument intensive products. So that is one example which I would like to quote. It's a great learning, but we are able to do it.